Hi everybody, welcome back to Jenny's Rants and welcome back to another digital plan with me. I am going to be planning my week. It is actually Monday already, and I'm just now touching my planner. I did my faith plan with me yesterday and posted yesterday. So if you haven't had a chance, go ahead and check that out. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You are going to love it here. And if you're not new here, hey gang, and welcome back. Welcome to another video. Now, I'm going to start off by apologizing because you're going to hear some noise. There's some work going on in my apartment, so there's nothing I could do about that. It's just some repairs that need to get done. So all the repairs that had needed to get done that was neglected are being taken care of now. So that's what's going on, but the show must go on. I must plan and I must record. So here we go. Today I'm going to be using this beautiful kit I got from Etsy. It's called the Junk Journal, and I just thought the colors were really pretty. Y'all know how I feel about beige or pink with black, so there's that. It's one of my favorite combinations. I love the florals in it. It's just everything I needed. So I'm going to be doing that. And then I also have the Golden Fall kit open because I wanted to use this doll here. So we are going to see how that goes. I'm not sure if this is going to be a full plan or what I'm going to do, but I'm going to pull it together. So let me see what's here. Can I do it on this? Let's see, I'm gonna go for it. I want to cover up the days of the week, so I'm gonna do that first. Let's see, I need a cover. Alright, so I got all that covered up. So now I'm going to pull in, let's see, should I do a combo or should I do this? Alright, so now I'm going to use these as headers. So let me get them placed. I hope I don't hate it. Alright, it looks good so far. So let's go ahead and do that with the this one now. Do the days of the week. Do I want to do it on these banners or do I want to do it on this? Okay, let's move. days of the week are up. So now, what is that? Let's see how we can pretty this up. So I know for a fact I have some important dates during the week, so including today. So let's see, what can I use to plug those in? Maybe these. I love the polka dots though. I really want to use those. But let me just do this one first. So I know on the 27th I need it. And I know this looks like it's not so decorative, but I'm gonna get there, I promise. Let's add, I like this frame. I like this one too. Can I do this one? Just like that. I love the abstractness of it. And then I want to add this polka dot flag. Can I? Let me see. No, I'm going to add this one. You'll use it as bullets. I love the way it looks so far. Do I keep the grid? I don't know. let me add the girl. Let me see it adding her. Do I like the sweater? I love the sweater girl, but the colors, I don't like that orange. So I think I'm gonna have to use her. Oh, I kind of like it half down like that, but I'm just gonna put her like that. All right, so now I kind of want to do more with this. I love the way this looks. I'm gonna leave the grid back there, but I want to add like a header up top. I wonder if this is like, yeah, I don't like that. I'm just gonna add some things to this is just one of those kits where you just stack the stickers and see kind of where it leads you. This one is lighter, but I don't think it's gonna work. Maybe this one. But all of these are black. Why did I do that? This one, I think I'm gonna leave there because that's pretty. Right? Yeah, I like the way that looks there. I kind of just put it right in the right spot. I love the way this looks, but I think I need some circles to break it up. Oh my god, I think this is so cute. I love it. Oh my goodness, it came out so pretty. I think I want to add some floral elements up there. Got a feather. Maybe I should have did that first. Let's see. Okay, yes, I love the way that came out. So pretty. And I think I want to bring that feather down here. I don't like the way this one looks. Alright, that's fine. This is there. Yep, just like that. I think it came out really pretty. I wish I had more florals. Let's see if I have some that I can add. I need something else here. Maybe another I love it. I'm not adding anything else. I was gonna add something else, but I don't know. I feel like these could be a little wider. Yeah. And this way, I have space to write things. I ain't added anything else. It came out pretty. That's it. I'm not touching it. This is it. Oh my goodness. This is it. So stinking pretty. Oh my goodness. I don't know if y'all was as nervous as I was building this layout. Oh my goodness. This is worth 1,000 words, y'all. I love the way this looks. And then I just put this sticker here that says making it happen. She is prepared to do anything to change her dreams into reality. So I just have some spaces for some important dates I have at the end of the week. Thursday is food shopping, so I just have a couple of things we want to tackle together, my husband and I, on Thursday. And then of course I'll be able to have some spaces to plug in gym routine, and then any chores I need to get done. I need to add my chore list and all of that stuff. So this is what I have. And some business stuff I need to add, but I'm not touching it. I just want y'all to see how I decorated the planner. Came out so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I